Welcome. In today's video, we're walking through how to create a passkey on WhatsApp, the latest and most secure way to protect your account. If you value your privacy and want an extra layer of safety, this quick guide will show you every step from start to finish. Let's get you started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you have the latest version installed since passkeys are part of the newest update and may not appear on older versions. Once you're inside the app, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots. Tap them to open the menu. From that menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Account. Here you'll notice a new option labeled Passkey. This feature lets you sign in securely using your phone's built-in security methods like your fingerprint, face recognition, or device PIN instead of relying only on two-step verification or SMS codes. Tap on Passkey, then choose Create a Passkey. At this point, WhatsApp will connect with your device's default security manager to set it up. You may see a screen explaining what a passkey is and how it works. When prompted, tap Continue to proceed. Depending on your device, you might be asked to confirm using your fingerprint, facial recognition, or the screen lock you already use. Follow the instructions to complete the setup. Once you've verified, WhatsApp will confirm that your passkey has been created successfully. From now on, whenever you need to verify your WhatsApp account, you can use your passkey instead of entering a code. It's faster, easier, and much more secure since passkeys can't be guessed or phished like traditional passwords. And that's it. You've just set up a passkey on WhatsApp. Remember, keeping your app updated and using features like this helps ensure your chats and private data stay protected. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more updates on how to keep your digital life safe and secure.